October 2024, Typhoon Kristine swept across Bicol, leaving towns devastated, especially OAS.
The hardest hit areas are rural communities, where families rely on farming as their main source of income.
At Alea Chocolates, we've always been about community, so what we really want to do here is support Bicol farmers.
Our educational fund has been expanded to support affected families and invest in a stronger farming future. We are grateful for every bit of support to help our communities rebuild better and stronger.
Beyond immediate relief, we're committed to resilience-building projects that empower our farmers long term.
Your support can help us make a great impact on the ground. Together, we can help Bicol rise.